So, ganyan. Kaya huwag kayong masyadong magmadali. Ay, just go drive safely.
Yeah.
Ayan guys, we are here sa park dahil nanghingi ng time yung bata. Ayan, ito yung park dito. Ayan, yung bata-batuta namin. Bata-batuta, sampay muta. Ito yung bata-bata.
Ah, chico-chica.
Oo.
And chiquita.
Love you too, baby. Ayan. May, uy, what was that? So yun, nandito kami ngayon. Supposedly, I'm going to panday-panday. Kaso lang yung bata humingi ng time sa papa niya. Tow truck.
There's own car on the truck. It's easy. When you go somewhere, you have your car. Need to use the truck.
So yun, gala tayo. Gala lang. Kanina pa kami dito. Ano pa? Kasi napa-oo niya yung papa niya eh. Nauna. Ay, I will turn off because there's someone coming. Bakit ako sa inyo kasi galing kami sa aking in-laws at nakapag-sign na ako bago kami umalis at kumuha tayo ng ba't ang puti-puti ko? My goodness. Dito, pag sa light ganun pa din naman. Ito yung binigay sa atin. So, every first week of the month. So, yun, may broccoli tayo sa market. Galing sa market yung kalino ko. Tsaka yung as usual. Ganun na. Every month po yan. Magsawa na kayo. Tapos, binigyan tayo. Ito sa lunch namin. Ito, as usual. Yung pinakain natin every month. Yan. Ganito. Yan, mainit pa. Chicken. Tsaka ito yung sa asawa ko. Burger. Saan pa ito? Nakamaganda dito ay yung ito. Ayan. Ganda no? Ganda ng itsura. Pero ilagay ko to sa freezer. Ayan. Medyo madami-dami din. Isa lang, kahit isa o dalawa. O, diba? So, binilhan ako ni Lolo ng toyo. Sarap-sarap ng toyo. Masaya na ako sa ganyan. Toyo. Well, yun. Ganyan lang. Tapos, masaya na, diba? Kaya dito, yung mga Pilipino pagkain, hindi mo na masyadong mamimiss. Kasi nga, nandito naman isda. Malaming isda dito, guys. Mahal nga lang. So, anyway, yeah, ganyan yung pagkain natin today. Tapos, for the coming days, hindi ko pa alam kung anong gagawin namin sa buhay namin. Kasi mainit. Ayoko lumabas. Ayan. So guys, so guys, these are the meat na pinamigay ng aking loss. This is beef. So, ewan ko kung ilang kilo to na beef. Yan. Hugasan natin. Tapos, this is pork. This is for, ano, yan. Yung spare ribs. So, hinati-hati na ni Lola. Why, I don't know why Lolo make it now hati-hati, the spare ribs. So, we will wash this too. And then, this one, this is chicken legs. This is also good for grilling. So, ang ginagawa ko kasi, I'm always trying to segregate it per cooking na. Para hindi na defrost at ibalik sa fridge. So, this is the chicken legs. Legs and ano bang tawag dito, whatever. So yon, and this is the pork na pang sugba din or panlagay sa mga pasta. Pwede mong maglaga. May dodo po, galing sa dodo ng pork. Yan. So ito, and we have here the beef, ground beef. Yan, itong nilagay ko sa pasta pag gumawa pa ako ng burger. So, ito po yung ginagamit natin. So, ngayon, I will segregate this na para may lagay na natin sa freezer. Kasi, my husband just pick it up from my in-laws. What are you doing?
I'm painting my drawing.
You're painting. What is that? What is that? What are those?
Huh?
What are those?
These here?
Tell Mama.
These are one of my activities, Mama.
It's okay, Mama.
Hey! Mama, guess what?
What's that?
And play controller.
And play controller. Because you're always playing. Let's go na. Let's try na. Papa, let's go. My lipstick. Papa, okay. Very good. Let me see. Let's show me.
This?
What is that?
A gas.
A gas. And then? So it's a fart. A gas.
A gas.
A gas.
It has the ST.
A ST. I thought. Let's go na. Shall
Hey,
we?
Mama, do you see Clara here? One of my pretend friends. She's on a wheelchair.
Why?
She fell 20 times.
That's
why she's on a wheelchair.
Okay. Shall we go? Oh, wear your slipper. Which one do you want to wear?
Tick-tock.
No, not TikTok hat. You have a hat there.
Oh, gosh.
Which one here? This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dart.
Need help?
Dart. Yes. Dart.
So guys, let's go out. We're bored. Na-bored po ka. Hindi, bibili kami ng tinapay. Kasi yung tinapay naman is every week talaga kami bumibili nun. So, magano tayo, bayan tinapay at yung gatas. Grabe, ubos kagad yung gatas. Yun. Tapos, gawa tayo ng gawa daw kami ng leche flan. So yun, Beatrice is there. So pretty. Say hi to Mom. Oh, where's your sunglasses? Why you don't wear it? Yeah? So, pinapasuot ko yun kasi pag mainit, it can protect the eye from the heat. Nakakatulong talaga siya. Tsaka, if you don't want to get headache, you have to wear sunglasses. It will help. It helps that. It helps. Sobrang init sa Manila. I was wearing sunglasses. It helps a lot. Hindi ko ramdam yung init. Kasi minsan yung heat na apektuhan din yung sa sa ice. Doon mo taga maramdaman yung heat wave. You can see the heat wave actually.
Yes.
So, yan. Wear kayo ng sunglass. No matter what brand it is, it still protects the eye.
Better than nothing.
Yes. So, yeah. Oh, they have a nice bus station there now. Oh, wow. With cover, with nice seat.
And
Tingnan nyo mga bahay dito. Ganyang bahay. Di ba? Yan. Tapos, uy, lolo. Oh!
He don't look.
Crazy. People in the universe, just don't look. My gosh. Maganda gawa dito ng YouTube yung mga reckless driver. Ito din, bahay yan dito. She wants to wash the car.
It's a she, yeah?
Yes, it's a she. That don't want to look to let her overtake. Why she don't want to overtake? Huh?
Wow.
Look at them.
Oh gosh.
She will stop there making video of her. She get upset.
No.
You have to run as fast as you can.
Why?
I don't know.
And she will be there on the red light.
Tingnan natin. Pag nag-red light siya, tawa tayo.
I can almost, I don't know, I have a feeling.
But kasi yung mga tao dito, they are so fast, no? They're really so fast. And then when we arrive there in the street to the main road,
90% of them
90% stop, and then we can still at the back. Tingnan natin kung maabutan natin yung babaeng.
She surely accelerate deeply.
Yeah, she's so camera for sure. Let's see kung nandito ba siya. See? Andyan siya. Shh, ibaba yun.
Why? So in a hurry, let's go here. Ay.
What a nice red color. The red behind us.
Just let her run.
Aisha will go there. She's shy now. Aisha will go here. That's why he's in a hurry.
Over there.
He's outside of the road already.
Ay. Yan, this is what happened. See? 90%.
Always like that.
See, ganyan. Ganyan yung nangyayari.
90% of them stop on the red light.
Yes. What the heck? So, ganyan. Kaya huwag kayong masyadong magmadali. Just go drive safely.
Yeah.
No?
I'm sorry because you will put not only you but also others on danger.
Yes. Puro madami yan dito. Tapos yan.
He passed the red light.
Uy. You have to stop
He
na.
passed the red light. He don't even stop yet. Yeah, it's difficult to see the red light.
Because there's no car coming to.
Yeah. Then?
No matter what, safety first because you don't know that somebody there will also.
Have to go a bit more far away because the red light is not so easy to see.
So, ganyan. Ganyan dito. Kaya, magandang pa. This is a nice house too here, no? Tingnan natin. Magsisneak tayo sa
Some
house.
nice buildings here.
No?
That's you only have to wait not
green
a minute.
Green.
I like this.
Nothing more? Okay.
I know.
Okay. I will close the gate na. Ay. Close the gate, Bea. No, because I pick up the... What? So you want to go out?
Yeah, we'll go to the car.
Just let it. Papa will put the... So yan guys, we are home. Nag-grocery tayo ng konting tinapay. So yung tinapay namin palagi na binibili kasi breakfast namin to at saka minsan sa supper. Yun. Bilis namin uminom ng milk, no? Hindi kami nagsusstore masyado ng milk dito dahil nga yan. So we bought eggs kasi we spend again after kailan ba tayo grocery? 6 days ago. Bumili na naman tayo ng milk at saka yung kailangan natin. Bread kasi palagi sa amin yun kaya bumibili kami. Hindi madamihan yung bili namin kasi ayoko na yung old stock ba na bread. So 1 week kasi yun ba. So yun, kaya kami ganyan. Yung pagbili namin ng bread, hindi siya by volume na dapat for ano. Kasi kung sa bagay, yung mga expiration nito ay matagal naman. It's dark. It's dark. It is. What are you playing?
Soccer.
Soccer.
When I was playing soccer, it was last time, and it hurt its ear.
Then, is it still hurting you?
No, but it's already got nothing.
You think so? Walang kalaro pero matuwa pa rin.
To catch the ball.
Look at Mama. So pretty ang baby ni Mama.
Mama, stay here in this line.
Why? Uy, poor grapes. Ganyan yung pinagkakabalahan namin dito. Ganitong si Bea. Naglalaro. Gusto mong laro. Dito lang.
What's up?
Last.
Stop. This glass wiggles.
It's okay.
Mama. Mama hit my head.
It's okay.
She hit her head.
Where did you hit?
When I was kicking, she came near. Then the ball hit her head.
So, hi guys. Raw face yan. Raw na raw. Kasi, umalis yung asawa ko. Nag-pick up ng mga more na meat. Kasi yesterday, di ba, may binigay sila ng mga meat sa atin. So, and today, another meat po na binigay sa atin. So, I will show you kung ano naman itong pinamigay sa atin. So yeah, ito siguro kainin namin today. Beef. So, this is 463 grams, half kilo. So, you want to see the price? It's 567. Bigay sa amin ito ng in-laws ko. So, beef, pang grill, since it's 11. Then, so, dahil kahapon nga, hindi nila kami nabigyan ng chicken breast. So, ito, chicken breast. Ipalagay natin ito sa fridge. Pinakuha ko lang sa asawa ko kasi pag na-frozen na, ang hirap ilagay sa freezer namin. So, ito, gaya nito. Yun. Ito ay chicken wings. So, ilagay ko siya as bulk na ganito kasi ayoko naman siya hindi frozen. Tapos, ilagay. Kasi naiwan yan kahapon. And then, Lola gave us also this salad. At least may pang salad kami. Kainin namin ito mamaya together with tomato. Ito, fresh from the Lola to. Tanim ni Lola. So, kainin natin yan. Meron pa akong tomato doon. Pinadala din niya. So, we have here also. Ito yung tuna namin, guys. Ay, ganito yung hitsura ng tuna na kinakain namin dito. This is per kilo din sila. Yan, mga slice-slice lang yan. So, 0.43 kilograms. And this one, ganun din. Pero meron pa kami doon sa ref. Tsaka ito, ako lang kumakain sa isda na ito, guys. Yan, itong isda na ito. Ayan. Ay, so smelly. Wait lang. Laki ng braso. So, ako lang kumakain. So, minsan, hinahati-hati ko. Minsan, dalawa kami ni Beatrice. Tapos, yun, yung sa asawa ko is tuna. Kasi ayaw niyang kumain ng mga isda na may mga tinik-tinik. So, ito na less na, diba? Yun. Pinakain ng asawa is tuna at saka codfish. So, yun. So, we have still here. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ano natin. Meron pa kasi kami dito. This is why I don't want to put. Kaya ginagamit ko sa freezer ay yung mga ice cream box. Kasi tingnan mo, nasisira. So, we still have here actually tuna. So, ayan. Ito po yung natira. Tapos, may tuna pa. Ito siguro itapon ko to kasi sobrang tagal na nito. Tsaka hindi na namin to mukhang bones lang naman to. Tapon ko lang siguro yan. So, ito. We still have 3. Ano ba ito? First in, first out natin to. Pareho naman. So, yan. So, ilalagay natin dito yung tuna. Yan. Yung tuna na i-ano natin. Laki pala nito. Wala naman ako mapaglagyan. Wala naman ako mapaglagyan ng isda ko. So, ganyan na naman. Ito isda. Ilagay na lang natin sa plastic. Kasi wala na akong malaking malagyan. Saka yung ulam natin ay beef na ginrill natin. So, we have here. Ito po yung ulam natin. Yan. Babaligtarin ko pa yan. And, our salad. So, ganyan yung kasimple yung ulam natin dito araw-araw. We have nothing to expect. Simple life. Simple living. Simple food. Enjoy! So, hello Beatrice. Ay. Ang papa. And Beatrice, ha? As per request, ito po yung ginagawa natin. Ano na ako? Na-bake ko na ang ano natin. Pinaka-base ng ating lemon bars. Ito na po yung ating, yan. I-bake na natin to. Mga around 10 or 15 to 20 minutes. Depende. Yes, what you've done?
Mama, you want to see the points?
What points?
When they are gray, look, nothing here in the snow area, nothing here in the canyon, not here in the forest.
Now you have to make the races and the danger signs.
Now I have to make some races that are not completed here. I know this is new, but this is the way I invent that.
Not so interesting.
Nothing interesting with this too. Even another new.
Someone is so happy for the lemon bars. Clean up. So, ito, dalhin natin to sa... Papa, can you please bring this one? Because I will vlog. Because I will vlog, I will ask my husband to bring it to the dining area. Lagyan natin ng powdered. Tanggalin natin. Ito ko yun yung... Uy, crunchy Wow, very crunchy, Papa. Ooh. Crunchy. Coffee at night time. So, ayan guys. Lagyan ko muna ng powdered sugar. Ayan. Ayoko naman open yung konti lang. Huwag na masyado. Ayan. Dessert na din guys. Dessert. Napaka-straight na ng ano. Wrap ng ating ayan. Obya. How is it? Look at here. How is it?
Good. So crunchy.
She's driving. Ayan guys, tapos na yung ating snacks, dessert. So, yung pang dessert na naman tayo. Tapos wish mo pumayat. Tapos kain ka lang ng kain. Sarap.